Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom for the beginners, how to set up the account and all the things that are present in the Zoom. So at first let's go to your browser and then search Zoom and then click this link. Okay, then let's see what are the features and what are the plans and pricing. You can obviously use it free, and with the free subscription you can host up to 100 participants and unlimited one-to-one meetings, but in case of group meetings you can only do up to 40 minutes and you can do unlimited number of meetings. If you're a teacher, you may need to have more than 100 participants, and the meeting duration be maybe more than 40 minutes, so you can buy this package. Okay, let's sign up. If you click this one, okay, so you can see that they ask for verification to confirm the date of birth. So let's give the month, day and year. Now click continue. You can use your work email address if you have one, or you can sign in with your Google account or Facebook. I will sign in with my Google account. So this is my account and I will sign it with it. Okay, I'm signed in. I'll click create account. So there's a lot of new features and I got so many notifications. You can read this stuff. Okay, so this is what Zoom looks like in the web. You can host a meeting here with video off or video on, or you can also share your screen. You can join a meeting. If you have any meeting ID or personal link, you can join also. You can schedule a meeting. You can set up a meeting name and then description and all of the stuff, the exact date, time and everything. Okay, let's host a meeting with video off. Okay, if you don't have your Zoom installer, you have to install the Zoom installer and then proceed. You can download it from here. So let's go to download. So I clicked download. Now it's download over here in the desktop. I'll double click it. So it's installed. And it has opened Zoom Cloud Meetings. It's connecting. So it has open a tab and it's asking me to join with computer audio. We can do that. I can click it. So I was using video off, so there is no video, but there is audio. You can see that in this audio I have this microphone which I am using now. I have disabled my laptop microphone, so there is no laptop microphone over here. You can have other microphone as well, and there is speakers. You can use other speakers as well. You can also test speaker and microphone. Okay, and so let's check out the video. Click the start video, and it has opened the video. Okay, now we'll explore other options over here in the video. I have used my webcam. You can have other stuff connected on your laptop. Okay, let's check other features here. This one is the security. You can lock a meeting or allow people to be in the waiting room. You can allow participants to share screen. I will come back to share screen, tell you more. And you can allow participants to chat. I'll tell more about chat, and rename themselves or unmute themselves. Okay, let's check participants. At the moment I'm just the one. You can obviously invite participants through default email like Outlook, or with your Gmail or Yahoo Mail, or you can copy the invite link of this meeting like here, and then you can post it in your social media or the messenger or in your WhatsApp as well, and people can join from that link. Or you can copy an invitation. It is like an event. You can post it in Facebook or any other social media, and there is a meeting password. If anyone is stuck in a meeting and he or she cannot enter the meeting, he can use this password, though it's normally if anyone have the invite link, there shouldn't be any problem. Okay, and there is another option that you can mute all while you're in a video, and if I click this, yes, and there is an option called mute participants upon entry. It's a very useful feature if anyone have family and kids and they're making noise upon entry. You can mute those participants. You can allow the participants to unmute themselves if they want to talk during a session, and you can also allow participants to rename themselves, and you can play sound or chiming sound when someone joins or leaves, and as I have told before, you can enable waiting room and lock meeting as well. Cancel this meeting. Okay, and let's talk about chat. You can chat over here. Hello, and you can upload a file like here. You can save the chat. Participant can chat with no one, with you only, that is host, everyone publicly and everyone publicly, and with themselves privately. You can allow that. So that's with the chat. You can share screen. Let's click share screen. So as you can see, there is this screen, that's the video, and zoom cloudings, and the ice cream screen recorder I'm using. Let's click one. I have a Microsoft Word document here. I'll open it. So you can see this is the video screen and this is the Word document. You can do stuff here and people can see. Okay, and you can have also Excel over here in this share screen. Excel over here, and there is one option, whiteboard option. Let's click it. You can write stuff here like this. Eagle, you can write stuff here. You can undo, redo, clear all drawings, also save. Okay, I'll cross it. Okay, across the whiteboard. And so this was the share screen. You can also record Zoom meeting. You can click it. There is a pause option, stop option. You can record full. I'll stop it, and it will be saved after this end of this meeting, both in audio video. Okay, we will see. And you can give reactions if you like anyone in the session talking any point. You can like, you can clap. Okay, and there's this end option, so let's click end. Okay, and here you can leave the meeting yourself, or you can end the meeting for all. Okay, I will end meeting for all. So you can see the recording is converted, and it will be saved somewhere in here. Click OK. As you can see, the meeting recording was saved here. The audio, you can see the zoom. Okay, so let's check out the app. If you want to sign in from the app and not from the web, how to do it? Let's click sign in. You can sign in with Google or the mail. Okay, let's click sign in with Google. Okay, launch Zoom, open Zoom meetings. You can see there is all these options here in the app, and you can do all the same stuff from this app as well, like new meeting. Click new meeting, see the audio, and there is also the other options like video, join with computer. You can do all the stuff here. You can also join a meeting, and you obviously have to have the meeting ID to get into the meeting. You can also schedule the meeting as well. Like before, you can do the timing, the description, the name of the meeting, and you enter the sharing key or meeting ID. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the Zoom, how to use it. You can do it now. So and later on I will upload videos more about more sophisticated features of the Zoom, and how to do a training session and other stuff as well. So if you liked my video, give a thumbs up, and for more updates, make sure you subscribe and click the subscribe button below. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.